at Stacked Auto House to announce the winner of the SK Speed and Time and Stacked DME and Exotic Car Hacks sweepstakes. And we'd like to congratulate Samantha, aka Angel M3 on Instagram, on winning the competition. And she'll be getting a free DME tune provided by EJ at Stacked, as well as a free membership to Exotic Car Hacks. We actually have her M3 right here, and it's gonna be awesome once EJ finishes with the tune, but I'll hand it over to EJ and let him talk a little bit about what's gonna happen.
For this particular vehicle, we're gonna be pulling the ECU out, having it sent out to be unlocked, and then we'll load the stage 1 ECU tune on it from DME for Samantha. Primarily we do storage. We also do detailing services, aftermarket accessories, things like that. And we are the Northern Virginia authorized rep for DME. Alec wanted to collaborate with them as well as us and get this done for a lucky contestant, and she was the winner. So now we start the process and get it done for her. Hey, welcome back.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Good to see you again.
You as well.
You're excited to get your car back?
I'm so excited.
All right,
so
let's
excited.
take a look. See it for the first time. All right, guys, so here we are with Samantha. We're handing her keys back over to her and giving her her M3 back after a nice tune has been loaded on it. But first, we're gonna take a ride. We're gonna have Samantha sit passenger and see her expression and how she feels with the the performance of the vehicle, and then we're gonna hand the keys to her and let her take it for a drive, see what she thinks. So let's go for a ride. So basically the tune's gonna, make your shift points a lot quicker, a lot better. It's also a little crispier. It's gonna be more responsive throttle-wise. Obviously the power output's gonna be different and better. But you'll see as we get into it and, get into throttle and whatnot. Here we go. Second.
Oh, goodness.
So obviously it broke traction through third, and then you felt the pull as soon as it hit it in fourth. But right now we're at fourth gear at 4,000 RPM, and I'm just gonna mash it real quick.
That's insane.
Does it pull any harder?
Yeah, it does.
All right, good.
It definitely does. This will get me in trouble. This will get me.
I hope not. Downpipes and exhaust or something like that, the difference that it's going to make as well. It'll add probably 20, 30 more horsepower, as well as sound different. The turbos will open up and you'll hear those a lot more as well. First drive, let's see what you think. I'm interested to feel the difference as a passenger too.
Oh yeah, it's definitely torquier.
Yeah, you're gonna feel the torque curve a lot better too.
So crazy.
So does it make it, does it feel like a big difference?
Yeah.
She's like, yeah.
Yeah. That's insane.
Because I never really drove it beforehand, obviously. We just pulled it in the shop and pulled the ECU out of it. So I didn't really know if it felt any different when I drove it. Obviously it felt good, it's got good power, so, but that's good to know. I think you're good. We're gonna go to the right.
Yeah.
She likes it.
This is crazy. You're gonna hear me all day long around your shop.
Just back and forth, making laps.
Obsessed. I feel like I fell in love with the car all over again, like it's day one again. The tune came out great. It was a huge difference, but I just want to say thank you to EJ at Stacked Auto House and DME Tuning for providing the tune itself. Of course, Alec for doing the giveaway. And yeah, excited to work more with the team.